the definition of an anti-hero isn't necessarily somebody who opposes the hero, but somebody who is often more just a flawed hero. Somebody who maybe tries to do the right thing but fails. Um, they're not perfect people. They are not. They are not gods or anything like that. Not that the gods in Greek mythology are ever anything close to perfect, especially not morally. But the notion of defining heroism through actual examples in literature is a very good paper topic. How what are the admirable qualities? Is is Odysseus admirable because he uses his reason? The ability to think is key for him, and it is largely his whole identity. But it also makes him a sneaky little bastard. He is not always an honorable man, but you can rationalize that a little bit in terms of the problem that this poem is setting up, which is taking somebody out of a heroic mold and putting them into a citizen mold. And the values aren't the same. On the battlefield, his ability to go out and unleash torrents of violence was not only like valued, but it was celebrated. But his tendency to do that in a peaceful realm is much more problematic. Is he more of a hero because he can slaughter people at will, or is he more of a hero because he can think about different conflict resolutions without doing the slaughtering? Is the honor of battle and military conquest, are those values appropriate or at all functional in a peaceful realm where we all have to kind of take a pass on our notions of what is right and wrong because other people might have other ideas and we need to get along with people?